my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm dipping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven.
Friends, how many of us have them friends? Ones we can depend on, friends. If they copyright me for that, have me, your boy can sing. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna show you what we got for the cutters. Let's go. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis254. You tune in for another one. As you can see, we got some extra boxes over here. So let me show you what we got. We're gonna bring it all over here to the roof of the Chevy, or the hood of the Chevy. Show you what we got. Show you what I'm working with. Alright, so for the sake of not having to move this gas tank, but y'all already know what it is. Gas tank GM 306C, has the baffle, all that good stuff. This is what you need for a fuel injected solution for your G-Body LS swap. Fuel tank, boom, right there. GM 306C. There was also another one that I was trying to put y'all up on game about. Let me see if I can find it in my photos right quick. I know I got it in there. Let me find it. Yeah. So as you can see there, the 306 and the 307C are pretty much identical. The only difference is the filler neck length, and it's really not that much of a difference. So either one of those will work. One is like a Monte Carlo tank. I think the 307C is for a Grand National, Buick Regal or whatever. So that's the tank you need. Those are the part numbers. You heard it here first. Well, not here first, but yeah. All right, so moving right along. What you also need for your fuel injection setup is you need a sender unit. The sender unit you need for your G-Body. This sender unit right here. Actually, it's a couple of them. I told y'all another part number before, but you know I keep on researching. I'm trying to, you know me, I'm trying to get to the bottom, the nitty gritty, spend as less money as possible. You hear me? So this one was a little less expensive. It still fits the tank the way it's supposed to. Part number is, let me find it. It was on the edge of the box somewhere. So yeah, FG156 Alpha. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna be the fuel pump assembly that you'll need. If you need a reference, it comes off the Grand National, I believe. I looked this one up instead of the Monte Carlo because the one with the Monte Carlo, pretty much, you had to get the pump that came with it, and that was really just spending money that we didn't need to spend, being that we was gonna have to swap it out anyway, right? So it comes with the sender unit. Also comes with you know, a filter and all of that. So next on the part list for the Cutlass fuel system, gonna be boom, fuel pump SP1115. This is the same pump that is in the Caprice. This is the same pump that is in the C10. This is what you need. Hold on, let me grab this. Let me get this open. It don't want to open. Had to rip it open. It ain't even want to bust open for you, boy. Oh, the Holy Grail, boy, right there. Holy Grail, SP1115. I don't know if it has the actual part number on the pump. It should, I would think. No, it don't say nothing. Because the thing about it is, like, check this out over here. I got another pump. This one right here, like this one, I know this is not the right one. You know what I'm saying? This is a pump that came with the C10 setup, and there wasn't no other way to just get the sending unit by itself, so I ended up just getting the whole shebang. You know what I'm talking about? So this was an extra pump. This is an extra pump, but it's not a pump like the one I need. So I was trying to see if there was a difference, but yeah, I mean, they pretty much look identical. 271-2. Maybe some different part numbers on it, but the actual part number that's on the box, which is the SP1115, is not. So unfortunately, if you have some other pumps around, you definitely might want to like put some tape on them, identify them so you don't get it mixed up. You know what I'm saying? That's a little tip for you. So you got your pump. It comes with the seals, the little connectors. However, it does not come with a filter, and I'm not exactly sure why you would send a pump without a filter. Spectra, if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure it wouldn't be too much to ask to just put a filter in there for your customers. So fortunately, as you saw with the sending unit, we do have a filter there, so we are good to go. So no biggie at the end of the day. I'm pretty sure if you could get one from your parts store, but I mean, that's just one less thing you would have to worry about putting this thing together. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and just put this pump in here, because keep everything together, and then from there, you know what I'm saying, that assembly will go inside the tank of the Cutlass, and then the tank will be installed on here. And then from there, pretty much all you got to do is run this box. Yeah, so from there, pretty much all you got to do is connect your fuel lines from the sender unit to the hard line that's going to be running in the back. And then I don't know if y'all remember in another video I showed you where they come up in the front, and then when they come to the top, let me see, I don't even know if I have a set of connectors, but anyway, basically, hold on, matter of fact, I'll show y'all under the hood of the Caprice how I ran my lines, and it's basically gonna be the same exact way that I run them when I get ready to do it for this G body. Lord of mercy, it's hot out here. It ain't springing up like it was before. So yeah, let me show you. So basically, as you can see right there, those are my fuel lines. They look like stock fuel lines, don't they? Well, let me show you what I did. Basically, off of the truck, I took, you can see right there, I cut the line, and I got this tip from Genuine 1976. I was in, you cut the stock fuel line, I was saying, you flare it. I mean, you put it down off in there, and then you put your fuel injection clamp on there, and you pretty much good to go. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to spend, you know, you can get this for the junkie or for the low probably. You know what I'm saying? No fancy AN fittings or whatever like that required. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if you want to do the AN, you can, but it's not a necessity. So just get in where you fit in. So that's gonna bring y'all up to date on that, man. Next video, of course, y'all know we still gotta finish putting the motor together, but the fuel system we have is pretty much complete, and we're good to go. So make sure you hit the like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and make sure you tune in to all the videos, man. We're gonna be one step closer. The 6.0 is about to be alive. You know what I'm saying? 6.0 finna be alive. So make sure y'all keep watching and clicking, and I'm gonna keep these updates coming. So remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Go on.